toast, good folk, and wet your throats. I'll sing o' Robin and his merry goats, a tale so true, though slightly bent, of England's greatest tax-dodging gent. In Sherwood Green our Robin hides, with bow so true and other prides. He robs the rich with style and flair, then shares the gold and something more fair. Maid Marianne waits with heaving chest, Robin arrives and needs a rest. Later love he pants with grin, the sheriff's men are closing in. Oh, brave Sir Robin, bold and spry, he'll steal your purse, but not your wife. Usually, brave Sir Robin, swift of feet, runs from the law and from the sheets. With a twang of bow and a flash of green, he's gone before the fun's been seen. Brave Sir Robin, legend grand, the quickest draw out of his band. Little John's not little, if truth be told, carries a staff that's mighty bold. Friar Tuck drinks ale by the ton, belches psalms when day is done. Will Scarlet flirts with every maid, gets slapped so often he's well paid. Much the miller's son just mills about, while Robin shouts, "Look out! Look out!" The sheriff of Nottingham, fat and red, counts his coins from his feather bed, sends his guards with spears held high. Robin farts, they turn and fly. Prince John whines and sucks his thumb, catch that fox or kiss my Guy of Gisborne, dark and brooding, trips on his cloak while he's pursuing. Oh, brave Sir Robin, bold and spry, he'll nip your goal but wave goodbye. Brave Sir Robin, swift of feet, the only man the sheriff can't beat. With a wink and grin and arrow true, he makes the powerful black and blue. Brave Sir Robin, tale so grand, the fastest legs in all the land. So if the sheriff rides this way, just sing this song and watch him sway. He'll turn right, red, and gallop fast. Brave Sir Robin, spell is cast. Oh, brave Sir Robin, bold and free, the greatest archer you'll ever see. Brave Sir Robin, merry and true, steal from the rich and gives to you. With a twang of